Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to view app permissions before downloading an app store. Let's open App Store application on your device and you want to go to the product page of any application that you want to analyze, and you want to scroll down past the description, ratings, etc. until you see a section App Privacy. So here you will find three main categories with different data types. So the first category is data used to track you. It means that this application links your data like contact information and your device ID with data from other companies' applications or websites for advertising. Then there is a data linked to you section. This data is collected and it's tied to your specific identity or account. Yes, it is used for the same purposes like advertising, some kind of marketing, analytics, etc. And then there is the last section, data not linked to you. This is data that is collected, but it's not linked to your identity. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.